Morning students. Today we will discuss the fifth chapter of history, what books and burials tells us. One of the oldest books in the world. The oldest book known everywhere throughout the world should be that of the Vedas. They were written around 3500 years back and are the earliest literary source available. The Vedas. The word Veda means knowledge. There are four Vedas: Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. The Rigveda is the oldest Veda. It was created around 3500 years back. The hymns means here a religious song, have been compared by sages. These psalms means sacred song, were recounted and gone starting with one age, then on to the next until the point when they were composed down. These hymns are in acclaim of various divine beings. For example, Indra, the lord of warrior, Agni, the divine force of flame, Varuna, the lord of sky, and numerous others. How do historians study the Rigveda? While learning about the past, students of history examine written sources. They examine the Rigveda. A large portion of the sums in Rigveda were as exchanges. Historians study these exchanges to arrive at conclusions. Cattle, horses, and chariots. Most petitions in the Rigveda are for cows, kids, and steeds. Steeds means here riding horse. Horses were burdened to chariots and utilized as a part of fights. Battles planned to catch dairy cattle arrived, field, water, and individuals. A part of the riches was utilized for performing yajnas or sacrifices in which offerings were put into flame for divine beings, including ghee, grains, and uncommon creatures.